Now, see here Huygens principle, that is one of the important principle in the wave nature of light. According to this Huygens principle, suppose there is a point of source which is emitting radiation in all directions. So, we can take this is a first one is a primary wavefront. Suppose this is A and B. So, this AB is known as here primary wavefront. Now, according to Huygens principle, every point of this wavefront act as a new source of disturbances. Suppose there are these points I have taken, these points are acting as a new source of disturbances. These points are emitting disturbances or giving out disturbances in all directions like this. Here. So, these are giving the the radiation or emitting the radiation in all directions, and these here by taking these point sources secondary wavelets are drawn. So, these are known as secondary wavelets. So, first principle is here, every point of the primary wavefront acts as a new source of disturbances. These disturbances travel with the same speed in all directions if the medium is same, and by taking these sources secondary wavelets are drawn. A common tangent to all these secondary wavelets in forward direction is known as secondary wavefront. So, this is A dash and B dash. So, A dash B dash is known as secondary wavefront. We can draw common tangent to this side also, back side. So, but see here energy travels in the forward direction. So, we assume only in the forward direction. This can be taken A double dash B double dash, and A double dash B double dash is not considered as a secondary wavefront. If you are going away from this source, as you going far and far away, you will find the wavefront will become here the plane. Here it seems to be here, or it is a spherical one. As you go away from this, that will become a plane wavefront. So, this is about Huygens principle.